blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings.
Michael, you gotta squeeze it out. You gotta squeeze it out. What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your Bria'Na. If you don't know, now you know, so make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your push notifications so you'll always be notified every single time I post a video, and comment down below what you want me to do next. So in today's video, I'm showing y'all how to do my quick install and my quick beat. If I'm sitting down by myself focused, I can do my makeup in like 15 minutes and I can do my hair in like 20. Promise you, okay? So to start off, I'm going to be pushing my hair, my real hair, back with the Got To Be, just so we can stay out of the way, and then we are going to do the ball cap method. This is not usually a part of my 15-20 minute install, okay? Like, this takes the most time, but on this day in particular, I was going to a cookout, so I needed that thing to be laid, honey, because we don't got time for the wigs to be sliding back in the sun. No ma'am, no ham, no turkey, okay? So if I wasn't doing this, I would just put the cap on and keep it pushing. You know, I wouldn't do the ball cap method at all. But since we are today, I'm going to be using the Got To Be spray. I'm going to be blow drying that on medium heat. And this is the longest part of the process, I promise you. But to make it quicker, you want to get a cap that is your skin tone, so you don't worry about, you know, putting all the powder and the makeup on your cap. You are good to go. So now I'm just cutting off all of the excess, and in today's video we are going to be using Sam's Beauty hair. All of the hair links will be found in the description box below, but do know that I have 4 bundles in, 2 bundles of 26 and 2 in 28, and then I have a 16-inch closer, so definitely had to cut some layers in. And why am I saying closure? It's an ear-to-ear frontal. Hello. Also, it's Swiss lace, so anytime you want a quick install, make sure you have really good lace, because it just makes the process go by 10 times easier. And then I'm not doing any bold hold or ghost bond. I'm using the spray because it's the easiest. All you gotta do is 2 layers. Make sure it's tacky. I like to press mine down in the center first and then on each side. Boom, and then you're done. And just use the back of your rat tail comb, and I like to use cool air for this part. I don't know why, I'm just a little picky. So yeah, use cool air, and then all you're gonna do is get an elastic band. This is gonna make sure that that wig doesn't go nowhere, honey. And you're gonna make sure that you press it into your skin for about 5 minutes should be good. I was about to say 5 to 10, but 5, you should be straight, honey. You should be good.
We don't do the trouble, we just have fun. But there's always someone trying to show what they can do. I only roll with my day one. Don't take crime, but my niggas think we'll cut you. Don't let it be you. My house while I'm small. You don't wanna get involved. Close to my jaw. He ain't on a joke. No, you don't wanna get involved. Close to my jaw. He ain't on a joke. He ain't on a joke. Oh no, he ain't on a joke. He ain't on a joke. Oh no, he ain't on a joke. Ride around, sliding in the coupe whip. Bad bitch, she don't wanna do shit. Coupe big as fuck like a cruise ship. Yeah, nigga back on the cruise ship. Order dirty clock on they ass. Still acting like I'm on the back. Still get a call from the boys in the pit, putting money on the books when they lack. Rich nigga do it for the children. Wanna talk, never talk billions. Phone nigga might kill him. Moving at night, sliding a mic. Nigga when you can't see him. And we might do it for no reason. It's all who don't season. Fucking like a G, don't believe it. I don't sleep, but please don't ask me why. When it comes to you, can't help but lie. When it comes to beef, I never hide. If you got a problem, don't be shy. I thought we were cool, so why you nice? Don't repeat myself, won't say it twice. Please be careful, I'm not even nice. Been on road too long, I might just get the knife.
We don't look for trouble, we just have fun. But there's always someone trying to show what we can do. Ooh. I only roll with my day one. No day one, but my niggas do what I do. Don't let me you. I hope you don't smoke. You don't wanna get involved. Close to my toe. He ain't on it, no. You don't wanna get involved. Close to my toe. He ain't on it, he ain't on it, oh no. He ain't on it, he ain't on it, oh no. He ain't on it, we just have fun, but there's always someone trying to show what they can do. Ooh. I only roll with my day one. No day one, but my niggas do what I do.
Okay, so now it's time for makeup. I have been using the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow for a while now. It allows me to have such a natural brow and I love it. I already have thick brows, so it doesn't take me long to fill my brows in at all. I literally do the bare minimum. Now watch this, y'all, because I asked my boyfriend for some assistance. And watch, just watch. Ah! Michael, you gotta squeeze it out! You gotta squeeze it out!
I was supposed to know that.
I said that! You don't be listening! Like, what? You literally cannot ask men to do anything. Like, they can't get nothing right. But as you can see, I'm barely filling my brows in. I'm just doing a little bit to give me some more shape and definition. And after that, I'm only going to go under my brows with the Fenty concealer. And I believe I am in the shade 370. So I know y'all saw that I almost put on foundation before primer. Baby, don't you do it, okay? You trying to do it quick, fast, in a hurry, baby. Make sure you prime your face. before. Oh, and moisturize. I don't know if y'all want to know, but I use bio oil for moisturizer all day, every day. Moisturize and prime so your foundation can blend out smoothly, okay? If y'all hear my mama ranting in the background, I'm so sorry. But she pissed off. I don't know who pissed my mama off. But anyways, yeah, now we're going on to concealer. I'm using Fenty, but I'm also going to use the Camo Concealer from e.l.f. because it just helps brighten up my face. I love it mixed together. And after I blend out everything, I'm going to literally press the Airspun powder into my skin like there ain't no tomorrow, okay? And I believe in the e.l.f. shade I'm in. Let me not lie to y'all because I don't know. And I'm nowhere near my makeup bag right now. I am so sorry. But anyways, check the description box for all of the products, okay? I know I suck. But anyways, also, if we are 11 minutes into this video, that means our 15-minute beat is almost up. I hope you have liked the video, honey, because if not, you're a hater. And we don't like haters over here, baby, okay? Do y'all see how the makeup is just coming together, though? Yes, ma'am. I'm also going to take the Airspun and go under my cheekbones so we can have a little cut, a little, you know, yes. And we're going to make me have some cheekbones with the True Complexions Contour Palette. I already have really nice cheekbones. But anyways, if you don't, sis, this powder is so smooth, it's gonna help, okay? I'm only using a little bit of that. I skipped blush this day because I'm trying to hurry up, but I did make sure to shape that nose of mine, all right? Okay. So literally, you guys, I am almost done. I'm just going to make sure that everything is blended out. And to do this the quickest way for me, I just go in and I spray my face like crazy. Make sure that you have a really good spray. So I'm using Urban Decay's All Nighter Spray. And then after I spray, I'm going to take my beauty blender, make sure I go over everything that I just put on my face, but I really make sure I get under my cheekbone, okay? And then I spray another layer, yes ma'am, because now I need my Wet n Wild highlighting powder to stick onto the spray. And this is also going to make sure that, you know, it's blended out nicely. You want to look like you're glowing from within, not like that shit is cake on your face, okay? And I don't know if I'm the only one who still does this. If so, maybe that's why I'm popping. But I have to add highlight to my nose. Like, it's one of my favorite steps. And even though I really, really, really love lashes, I'm going to skip out today and just use the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara and coat the mess out of my lashes, okay? And for my quick days, I only do my top, not my bottom lashes, because then I got time for all that. And as for my lip combo, it's a little complicated, so I'm just gonna let y'all watch. All these gonna be listening to the description box below because I can't show y'all. So now for the finishing touches, I know that y'all saw that I put a lot of mousse on my hair. Mousse forms your hair, but also makes it hard. So you just want to take your comb and comb everything out so it can be soft and smooth. And then I'm just plucking out the curls. I look fire, okay? Don't forget your moles, okay? Period. And yeah, that really wraps up this video, y'all. Please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye, mamas. Mwah.
Looking